I'm currently in the process of building a bar for my garden called the Dave Bar. Dave being the old van we chopped up to make into a funky metal bar. Now I need some pillars for the garden, some light pillars, which is what we're doing today. But if you are interested in the full bar build, I'll link to that video at the end of this one as well. So I've got my pillars cut. The Jack Daniels bottle will sit on top of these, something like that, with a light in there hopefully. I was actually thinking of a more natural design originally. I was thinking kind of flowers and leaves and something maybe wraps around the bottle. But I came across all these cogs and bits and pieces I've been saving for years now, so I thought let's use these up and go for a more industrial kind of look. And I think something like that will look pretty awesome once it's all together. Let's break the welder out. I've added some legs that stab quite a long way into the ground. I don't want these things falling over if people kick them, because they are quite low down to the ground. I'm fully expecting these to go rusty and kind of age over time, which I don't mind. I quite like that look. But in the meantime, to keep them shiny, I stuck some of this stuff on. I picked it up dead cheap. I look at one of the local paint suppliers. He said it was an acid etch, but I'm not sure it is. Whatever it is, it's clear and it brushes on very, very easily. I guess you can spray it as well. And so it goes off in absolutely no time. So hopefully they'll stay shiny for just a little bit. I found the standard main socket grommets seem to be a decent fit in here, a little bit on the tight side, but they go in quite nicely. I drilled a 6.5mm hole actually. Works as a little bulb holder, works quite nicely. Oop, get down there. That'll do, pig, that'll do.